Hello viewers, welcome to OG Talks. Today we will discuss about the Linux introduction. Um, the agenda of today's topic is what is Linux, what are the key features of Linux and Linux architecture, popular distributions available in the Linux and the advantages, the use cases of Linux, and the conclusion of the topic. Um, so, what is Linux? So, Linux is a free open source operating system, which means you don't need to pay any license fee like Windows operating system. It is actually built based on the Unix principles. The actual uh, operating system was Unix. So, Unix, we have different flavors from different vendors like from Sun OS, we have one flavor. From IBM, we have one flavor. uh, from HP also we have AX. So like that we have different flavors. Base of Linux is Unix. It's okay. So the Linux was first released in 1991 by Linus. So it is actually useful building the servers, desktops, mobile devices, and embedded systems. So embedded systems are nothing but the latest smart washing machines or refrigerators we can consider as embedded systems. Okay, the key features. So the key features are like it's a like I already said, it's a open source. We have a community for this operating system development. Any technology guy or software guy can join this community for the operating system development. So they can suggest their ideas for the enhancements. So Linux allows the multi-user and multitasking concept. Multi-user, nothing but you can have the different users logged in at once to the one machine, and multitasking, nothing but so you can have different tasks running in the background actually. So we will have the strong security and stability in this operating system. So it is portable, which means we can install this on any hardware platforms like AMD or Intel, like that. It is rich in the ecosystems, like it has different distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, etc. All those things available. Okay, coming to the Linux architecture, so this is how the Linux architecture will be available. So the first layer will be hardware layer, where we will have the CPU, RAM, and hard drives will be available, and then we will have the kernel, which is the heart of the operating system of Linux operating system. So which will help us the managing the system and resources, so memory, tasks, scheduling, and interacting directly with the hardware. So we have on top of that we will have the system calls. It interface between the user level applications and kernel, allowing apps to request services like file operations, all those things. And we will have a shell in this architecture. Shell is nothing but command line interface interpreter, like in the CMD in the Windows operating system. We will have a Unix shell and the Linux operating system, which will help the users to interact with the machine or the operating systems. On top of that, we will have the applications installed, softwares will be installed over there. So this is how the Linux architecture is visible. Okay, so coming to the popular Linux distributions, like we have Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, and Fedora. So Ubuntu is user friendly. We will have my graphical user interface like Windows. We will have the graphical user interface. We will have folder structure, all those things. So CentOS or other cheer like Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It is useful for the enterprise level servers like most of the companies use this version for to build their servers. And Debian is a different distribution, which is morely concentrated on the stability version. And we have another one is Fedora. Okay. The advantages of Linux is we already discussed. Like it's a free open source, so no charges for the use. You can get the Linux operating system CD for free if you log into the respective RHL website. And you can request for the free CD. It is highly customizable, which means any techie can suggest the enhancements. They can give their code for the enhancements, so it will be tested and then only it will be applied to the actual prod version. It has a strong community support, excellent for servers and developers. It is secure and less prone to malware. Nothing but a virus. We will have less virus attack on the Linux operating system. Okay, so use cases like this operating system used for the web servers like Apache and NGINX, and it is popularly used for the cloud computing like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud platforms use this operating system. We can use this for networking and security tools. So it is widely used for software development as well, like Internet of Things, if any device which is connected through the internet, we will say like Internet of Things, so it is used over there as well. And it is widely used for embedded systems like automatic opening washing machines and fridges, etc. All these things we can use the uh, this Linux operating system. Okay. Finally, conclusion. So Linux is everywhere, from smartphones to the supercomputers. This operating system is used, and it has more flexibility, security, and performance-wise, it is the best. A great choice for the developer and enterprise and tech enthusiasts. Um, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.